One app to document everything during an inspection? Sounds impossible to you? It's actually true. With magicplan, you can start by sketching the property and, thanks to LiDAR technology, quickly capture room details such as furniture, doors, windows, and much more. A video is automatically recorded while you scan a room for additional documentation. Once the scan is complete, you can choose to keep it or delete it. You can also take photos before, during, or after the scanning process. The choice is yours. At the end of the scan, check the miniature. If most of it is green, the room was captured successfully. Save your preferences and generate the floor plan. Staircases can sometimes be challenging for the current LiDAR technology, which is why you can easily adjust them after completing the room. You can also add a dedicated stairway room and insert the appropriate staircase object from the object library. You'll find the stairs in the structural category. To reshape the staircase or any other object, use your fingertips to adjust it directly, or edit its measurements in the object's info panel. Capture every detail by adding unlimited photos, videos, and 360-degree images to your project. If needed, you can take additional photos and use the magicplan editor to highlight important areas directly on the images. Take a look at our channel for many more tutorial videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.